Namaste everyone. I welcome you all to Udaya's classroom. In today's class, we are going to talk about the topic importance of business environment. Come, let's get started with the class. Alright. Importance of business environment. The first importance is environment provides numerous opportunities for business success. First of all, why we have to study about the importance of business environment? Is it that much important to know about the business environment? Yes, of course it is very important to know about the business environment. Once if we start the organization or any company in the society, we will become the part and parcel of the society. So we have to know about the importance of business environment surrounding what is happening. We should know. So we have to know the importance also. So the first point is environment provides numerous opportunity for business success. So if we understand about the business environment in our surrounding, what is happening, if we understand, we will get in our organization n number of opportunities, which means first mover opportunity we will get. So the first mover opportunity we will get in the organizations. That is what this first point says. It enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Okay. Knowing the business environment, how will I get the first mover advantage in the organization? I'll tell you an example, you can understand. If you take Samsung company, so Samsung smartphone company, what they did before 10 years, that is in 2010, they have introduced Android mobile. They understood the need of the people. Smartphone is required and Android version will go very well. They understood and they have introduced smartphone, Android phone, right? So at the time Nokia, what they did, they were not alert and equal to the competitor. They did not do anything. So Samsung have taken the advantage of first mover advantage. So Nokia failed to identify. And what the Nokia company have did, they continued with the Symbian OS. So at the end of ended with the result, 55% share come to 27.7% in 2014. At last they were nowhere in the market. So Nokia completely vanished. So that is what will happen if we are not taking the first mover advantage in the business environment. Next example, you can take Volvo bus, luxurious bus. So what they have done, they have introduced that they have capitalized in the Volvo bus in India. What happened? Their share is now 74% in the market share. So you can take Reliance Industries also recently. What they have done, they understood about the digital society and they have tied up with the Sugarmat, right? So people have to, that is the people, those who are running organization and business, they have to take up the first mover advantage to survive in the market. So that is the reason why it is important to know about the business environment. Let us move to the next topic. It helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. So what the business environment will give to the organization? It will give a caution to the organization. It's like a signal it will give. So this is what is going to happen. Now what we did, most of the people understanding about the COVID and lockdown, immediately we went to the shops and grocery shops, we purchased everything. Groceries even for 1 month or 2 months we have purchased and we stocked it, understanding the things. We have got signal, right? So same way, this business environment will give the threat threats and warning signals earlier itself. So if we understood the threats and the signals which we are getting from the outside environment, we have to utilize it properly. So environmental awareness can help managers to identify various threats on time and serve as an early warning signal. So anything which is happening outside, they have to take it as warning signal and they have to take up steps accordingly. For example, if competitor, suppose any particular company dealing with a particular product, the same product competitor going to introduce some new technology and they are going to import something with cheaper rate and they are going to serve for the society. If we come to know what we have to do, equally we have to compete with the competitor. So we have to improve our product technology and equally we have to update our quality of the product and we have to compete with the competitor. So threat warning, if we understand, we have to act accordingly. If we do not act accordingly, what will happen? We will lose our customers. So that is why important to understand the business environment. Let us move on to the next topic. It helps in tapping useful resources. It helps in tapping useful resources. Tapping means what? Tap out resources, whatever resources available outside in our surrounding, we have to take out as input for our organization. We need lot of input, right? So inputs means resources. So for our organization, we have to use lot of resources like labor, finance, then employees and machines, equipments, water, electricity, everything coming under resources. So we have to take up all the inputs from outside only. So from the outside environment, external environment, we will take up all the inputs for our organization and then production process will take place. We will give it as output to the people in order to satisfy the desires of the society. Right. So if we are not engaging in the production process, the need of the people, the desire of the people could not be satisfied. So that is the reason why it is important. It helps in tapping useful resources. Why? To get the input. Input example I told you, like main material, machines, everything. Why we have to take up the input for our organization? To give output as a product to satisfy the desire of the people. So I have given as usual the vocabulary here. Pace. P. Desire mean wish or want something strongly. We'll move with the next important topic. The next importance of business environment. It refers to business environment. Business environment helps in coping with rapid changes. Coping means what? Adjust with rapid changes. What do you mean by rapid? Last class, I have told you, very fast, right? So, business environment will help the organization to cope up with the fast changes which is taking place in the business environment. So, knowledge of business environmental changes sensitizes the management to make new strategy to cope up with the emerging problems of changes. So can you understand something from this? This importance, what it says means we have to analyze the business environment outside, what is happening, what is the new technology has arrived in the market and what is the need of the society people and what they desires, everything to be analyzed, and accordingly management should plan for their organization so that they can survive in the market. That is the meaning. So emerging problems means what are all the problems arrived in the market. Problems in the sense maybe a competitor would have introduced new technology and according to that technology in our company also we have updated the things. So that would be the emerging problem of that particular organization. If you take some companies, they used to have a market executives. So what these marketing executives will do means they used to move around the market in the particular field. If it is a mobile field, they will be analyzing all the mobile shops and what is the need of the society and what they are expecting. Everything will be analyzed and it will be updated to the organization. So according to the marketing survey and analysis, the management will plan further. It will try to cope up with the rapid change which is occurring in the business environment. So business environment is not turmoil, which means it's not stable, it's unstable. Anytime it will change. The third thing is turbulent, unstable or turmoil. So the business environment is unstable one. It will not be a stable one. It's turmoil. Always it will get changed. So it is also called as turbulent. I have given you example here, cars, mobiles. Every day n number of cars and mobiles, new technology launched in the market. Every day invented because people are very fond of using new cars, new designed cars, new technology, updated cars and mobiles. So they have to be very updated, not monthly or yearly, every day. So every day lot of cars and mobiles launched in the market. Helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation, which means the business environment helping the organization management to plan its policies and rules and regulation according to the changing environment. Already as I told, business environment is turmoil, it's not stable. So it is helping. So when the executive managers are updating to the organization, this is what happening in the business environment, accordingly policies could be planned. So its understanding and analysis can be the basis for deciding the future course of action or training guidelines for decision making. So what could be the decision for my future organization, what kind of decision I can take for my organization, like that they can plan based on the business environment. So what could be the example? Political change. We know very well, if the political things are, government is changing, it will affect the organization also. If this particular party, BJP or whatever it is, so when the government political things changing, it will affect the business also. They will be waiting for their new plan implementation and all. Because if the government changes, this may happen. So let us wait. So if once the government change, let us implement the new policies, like that the business organization will plan. Let's move on to the next topic. It helps in improving performance. So the business performance also could be improved because of this business environment. How it could be improved? When the competitors ready to launch new technological products and updated things, naturally what we will be doing when the new blood is coming, we will be upgrading our performance also. We will update ourselves. So that is also will take place because of this business environment. With continuous scanning means scanning the outside environment, business environment. Of business environment, companies can easily improve their performance. So easily the performance also could be improved. So that is the reason why people used to say, if you are not updated, you will be outdated. So when the companies are not ready to update themselves, they will be updated from the market. So every time they have to be updated. Not every time, every minute the companies have to update themselves and they have to keep an eye with their competitors' activities, what they are doing, what is their next step and move. What could be the example? Adopt new technology. So when the company is ready to adopt the new technology, ready to accept the new technology and the updations, lead into increased sales volume. The company's sales volume will get increased and you can expect huge profit in the organization. These are all the importance of business environment. If we understand the importance of business environment, we can survive for a long time in the market as an organization. We can earn more profit. We can withstand our customers for a long run. Lot of things will take place if we understand the business environment. With this understanding, I'll end up the session today. I'll meet you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, you take care, and then it's bye from Udaya.